I'm sorry, I can't speak English. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, don't say that because you are speaking English. So you can speak English, but
But
you have to improve your
not
English.
very well.
So I think you have to practice a lot. Whenever you practice a lot, in that time you can speak English very well. So you have to practice. One thing that practice makes a man perfect. So you have to practice regularly. I mean continuously. So are you interested
Oh,
in learning English like that?
yeah, I wanna learning English.
Okay.
Uh, apa ya? Aku nggak tahu. Aku bisa coba sih.
I know Indonesian
Just
language like ¿Cómo estás? Oh, sorry. ¿Cómo está ka? ¿Cómo está ka?
kamu apa itu? What in English? I don't know.
¿Cómo está ka? It means how are you?
What is it?
Am I right?
Oh, how are you in Indonesia is apa kabar?
Oh, I forget that. Apa kabar? Apa kabar?
Yeah, I'm fine. And in Indonesia, I'm fine. It's aku baik.
Okay. So actually, I'm learning
It,
three
yeah.
languages. That is why it's happened. If you wanna say in
Wow.
Spanish, hello, then you
Spanish?
can say
No.
hola, hola,
No.
hola. It means hello.
Hola.
Yeah,
Hola is I
it's
think
Spanish.
you know Mexico.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Spanish. This is Spanish.
Mexico,
Wow.
Colombia.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah. What
and
is in Mexico? How people say hi in Mexico?
Mexico, hola, hola.
Hola.
Yeah,
Oh, like Spanish. Oh, Mexico is
yeah.
Spanish.
Mexico is Spanish,
Oh,
as far as
oh
I know.
yeah. I can
Yeah,
speak. Uh, ¿Cómo estás?
yeah.
Like
¿Cómo
that.
estás? Estoy bien. Estoy bien.
Oh, what? ¿Cómo estás is
It
how are
means
you, right?
how are you? Yeah. If you wanna say
Yeah.
I'm fine or I'm good, you can say estoy bien.
Estoy bien.
Yeah,
Wow.
it means I'm
I
fine, and it's Spanish language.
uh, wow. It's good good language, but I don't know.
So,
I can
how many languages you can speak?
uh just Indonesian, but I can basic in English.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Understand?
Yeah,
I think I can speak Spanish,
okay,
but just basically.
basic. Okay, I mean like
Uh,
hello, how are you? Like that.
yeah, like that. Like
Okay,
Ohio.
no,
It's it's hi. Say hi in Japan. It's Ohio. Like
Ohio.
that. In
Oh, you
in
know
English
Japanese
is
language?
good morning.
You know Japanese language?
Uh, no, just basic. I know just
Okay,
basic.
okay. Okay, now I want
Like
to learn
English.
Japanese. So you can teach me Japanese basic, okay?
Uh, quiz. I ask to
Okay.
you.
Yeah, I want to learn that hello in Japanese.
Oh, in Japanese, you can say Ohio. It's good morning in English.
Ohio, like that.
Like that. Ohio.
So if I wanna say
Can and
hello, it means
good
Ohio.
night. What?
Hello.
Hello. In Japan, I don't know people. I'm sorry. I speak English. I'm sorry. I can't speak English.
Hey, you can speak
I know
English.
just basic.
Yeah. So you should not
No, basic, just
say
basic.
that like I can't speak English. I don't speak English. Don't say like that, okay? Because you are talking
Oh, I
English.
don't.
Yeah, and your English is okay because I understand you and you understand me, and it's very good.
No,
We are together communication.
oh,
Even I'm not a good speaker.
oh,
I'm just
thank you.
learning. I'm practicing. So don't worry.
Uh,
Never get
but I'm
upset.
sorry.
Okay?
Okay, okay.
So
But thank you,
yeah, it's okay.
thank you. I think I think yeah, my English is bad, but yeah, your English is good. You understand me, and maybe
Yeah.
I don't understand you.
No, you can understand me easily, but you have to practice a lot. So I want to know one thing that are you a student?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm working.
Oh, okay. So uh, did
Oh,
you
uh,
complete your study? I mean university?
just high school.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, high school.
So where
You
do
know,
you live in uh, Indonesia?
uh, my country.
Yeah.
You know, Jawa Barat.
No, I don't know. I mean which island? Which island?
Uh, sorry. You can write in text so I can translate because I don't understand. I'm
Okay, okay,
sorry.
okay. Just listen to me. Just
You
listen to me.
can wait.
Uh, what is your
Okay.
city name? What's your city name?
My name.
Yeah.
Uh you know Banten. I'm my this is my city. Banten.
Oh, okay. So,
Banten.
do you know
This is
Jakarta?
my city.
Jakarta,
Yeah, I know. Of course I know. It's in
capital.
Indonesian, so I know.
It's capital city.
Apa? Capital?
Capital
Yeah,
city of Indonesia, Jakarta. So, how
yeah.
far? How far is it from your place? How far?
Maybe so far I'm in the wait. I think I wanna translate first
Okay.
because I don't know.
So, do you have any?
I'm in the village. You know
Oh,
village? Yeah, I'm in the village. Yeah, but Jakarta is a city.
oh, okay. So, do you have any special talent?
What
Uh, can you sing?
special? I
Can you
think I
sing?
can sing. Yeah,
Okay.
I can
So,
sing.
so,
But no. I'm lie because my apa sih suara cowok? Suara
uh,
apa ya? Wait,
are
suara.
you sick?
Because my voice, no, my voice is so bad, so I
No, no,
can
no.
sing.
I think your
I
voice is
can't.
good.
I don't.
You can try.
No. Okay, I'm try. So
Okay.
don't. So you know.
Don't
Uh,
worry.
you
I'm
can
not.
request.
Yeah, I'm not laugh at you. So
Okay,
you can start.
you can request. Do you wanna request
Yeah,
song?
you can sing any song,
What?
whatever you like.
What?
Which one you?
Uh,
Which one is
you
your
know Justin
favorite
Bieber?
song? Yeah.
Okay, my favorite song is you know. And if you can be next to me,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. Okay, okay. Let's start.
Your memory sexy. I miss you more than life. Like that? I don't know.
Yeah, you know.
I'm sorry.
Very good, very good. Just, uh, yeah, just continue.
You know, you know, yeah. But I can stop. I can sing. I can't sing. I don't. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay. Okay.
You, you. I wanna
Yeah,
question
sure, sure.
to you.
You can ask me anything.
You student or
Yes, I'm a student.
apa
I'm a university
working?
student.
Oh, where you study?
Okay, I'm studying
Where?
in my district, like yeah, local area. I'm a university student, so our capital city is Dhaka, and it's 145 kilometers far away from my district. So I'm staying
Oh,
in my hometown. Yeah,
okay. Where? Where? So
okay,
it's so far in your home, right?
yeah. My university is not so
So
far.
where?
It's I have to take
So
5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough for go to university.
oh, it's
It's very
yeah,
close.
yeah. I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, what's your favorite color?
Near. It's so near.
Yeah, near.
My favorite color. I think I like black.
Okay.
Black.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you like
Uh,
red?
why red? Yeah, of course I like, but not like apa black. I like, but not like black.
It's for you.
Understand? I'm sorry. Wow, you magic. Wow, it's amazing. You know, I like it.
Take it. So take it.
How
Oh,
I
it's
can?
in your hand.
Wow, nothing. Where?
I don't know.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's already. Yeah, it's okay. Is
So,
that a real or?
Nana, you are so nice person,
Yeah,
and
me.
I'm very glad to talking to you, and it's nice to meet you.
Mm. Okay, thank
You are
you.
very nice. Yeah. So,
Yeah, thank you. So I'm sorry because my English is bad.
no, it's okay. No problem.
Hello everyone. You can subscribe YouTube channel Mr. Pearl and like don't forget to share
Yeah. Thank you.
like that. Yeah, thank you.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia. You know?
Yeah, I know. There are lots of island, and I know Java, Sumatra. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah,
Do you know
yeah, yeah. Right.
Bali?
Yes, I know. It's yeah in Indonesia.
Yeah.
And you, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Do you know?
Bangladesh. Yes, I know, but uh, yeah, I know.
I know. Okay, so
I'm
you
sorry,
know
but my English
Bangladesh.
is so bad.
Okay. So, uh, do you know anything about Bangladesh?
About Bangladesh. Maybe no, because I don't know.
Okay. So, what's your name?
In Bangladesh. Okay, my name is Nana, and you, Paul,
Nana. Oh, it's very
right?
easy. Nana. Yeah, you can call me Paul.
Wow. Wow, it's a good name.
Yeah. So
So,
Nana,
how old are you? Your age?
can you guess
Okay,
my
what?
age?
Yeah,
What do you think? How old I am?
um, you look sayang. So maybe you 21,
Oh, okay.
right?
I am 24.
20. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Your voice is so young.
Oh, okay. And you look
Makasih.
like I think you are 20 or 19, like that.
Yeah, I'm 21.
Oh,
My age.
very close. Yeah.
So I don't know.